Welcome. Today's guide takes you on a journey through the magical world of mushrooms, often overlooked yet profoundly impactful. Let's start this mycology masterclass.
Factoid number 1. Unlike plants, mushrooms don't perform photosynthesis. Instead, they break down and absorb organic matter.
Second fact, mushrooms are a part of a larger organism called a mycelium, which is an underground network of thread-like hyphae.
Moving to fact 3, mushrooms are the reproductive organs of this fungal body, producing spores that drift away to start new mycelial colonies.
Fact 4, some mushrooms severely lack coloration due to the absence of chlorophyll.
Coming to the fifth fact, the world's biggest organism is not an elephant or a whale, but a fungus, a honey mushroom mycelium in Oregon covering 3.7 square miles.
Moving to the sixth fact, mushrooms are decomposers, playing a critical role in the ecosystem by recycling essential nutrients. Fact 7. Certain mushrooms are known as mycorrhizal partners, forming mutually beneficial relationships with tree roots.
Point 8, penicillin, a world-changing antibiotic, was first discovered in Penicillium fungus.
Moving to fact 9. Psychedelic mushrooms have been used ceremonially for millennia, and modern science is revealing their therapeutic potential.
Fact 10. Some mushrooms called lichens can survive in extreme environments including Arctic tundra and desert.
The 11th fact. There are over 30,000 known types of mushrooms, but scientists believe that this only covers a small fraction of those in existence. Fact number 12. Certain mushrooms are bioluminescent and glow in the dark, known as foxfire or fairy fire.
Fact 13 addresses the famous fly agaric, the red mushroom with white spots, often illustrated in fairy tales.
Moving to fact 14, the death cap mushroom is one of the most toxic varieties, lethal if consumed. Fact 15, some species of mushrooms can actually eat plastic, and research suggests they could help combat pollution.
16th fact, truffle mushrooms are one of the most expensive food items worldwide and are sniffed out by trained pigs or dogs.
Coming to fact 17. Certain mushroom varieties have been known to remove and absorb heavy metals from soil.
Fact 18 heralds the puffball mushrooms that can eject millions of spores when disturbed.
For fact 19, the spiky-looking lion's mane fungi are not only edible, but considered to improve cognitive health.
The 20th fact, the shiitake mushrooms are a high source of copper, offering 71% of the daily intake in one serving. Fact 21, the cultivation of mushrooms goes back to 600 AD in China, making it an ancient food source.
For fact 22, we have oyster mushrooms, which are carnivorous and can eat nematodes. Coming to fact 23, the smallest mushroom, the fairy ink cap, is only 1 centimeter in diameter and turns to ink as it matures. Fact 24, there are mushrooms called zombie fungi that infect and control insects to help disperse their spores.
Fact 25. Reindeer are known to eat hallucinogenic mushrooms, and according to some theories, this inspired the flying reindeer in Santa Claus legend.
Moving to fact 26, certain mushrooms can break down the nerve gases sarin and VX. They truly are nature's tiny decontaminators.
Fact 27, the tallest mushrooms are the long net stinkhorn, reaching up to 35 centimeters in height.
Fact 28. The infamous fungi from Yuggoth from H.P. Lovecraft's works were inspired by real alien-looking fungi.
Fact 29, the cordyceps fungi are valued in traditional Chinese medicine for their array of health benefits.
Finally, for fact 30, the world's oldest mushroom fossil is about 115 million years old, outdaring dinosaurs by some time. And that wraps up our exciting exploration into the world of mushrooms. See you in the next creature feature, where we unravel more wonders of the natural world.